ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மனே நமः. தசகம் 38, ஸ்லோகா 4. வக்ஷः ஸ்தலீ சுகநிலீ நவிலாசி லக்ஷ்மீ மந்தாக்ஷலக்ஷிதகடாக்ஷ விமோக்ஷபேதைः தன்மந்திரஸ்ய கலகம் சக்ருதாமலக்ஷ்மீம் உன்மார்ஜயன்னிவ விரேஜித வாசுதேவ. Word by word meaning. Hey Vasudeva, O Vasudeva, Vakshaha, Sthali, Sukhanili, Navilasi Lakshmi, Mandaksha Lakshita, Kataksha, Vimoksha Bedaihi. Vakshaha Sthalyam, Sukham, Yatha, Bhavati Tata, Nilinayaha, Vilasinyaha, Lakshmyaha, Mandakshena, Lajjaya, Lakshitaihi, Kataksha Vimokshanam, Bedaihi, by the side glances marked by shyness of Lakshmi, who shone resting comfortably on thy bosom. Tan mandirasya, of the house, the prison. Khalakam Sakritam Alakshmim, the inauspiciousness caused by the wicked Kamsa. Unmarjayan Iva, as if wiping away. Virejitha, thou didst shine. Full meaning. O Vasudeva, thou didst shine in that prison, wiping away, as it were, the inauspiciousness caused by the wicked Kamsa, with the shy sidelong glances of Lakshmi Devi, who was resting comfortably on thy bosom. Om Tat Sat.